Hi class, sorry this lecture is so late. If you need to turn your homework in Monday night, you're more than welcome to. What I'm going to go over is how to set up this basic page right here for a mobile device. And what we're doing is to get these fields right here, which are called input tags and a button right here, you have to use a form. And right here what we have is our form tag. And then beneath our form tag, we have our input fields, and our last input field is a button, which is the actual login button. And the button is taking on the property of the class that we defined from that first page, which I posted on Monday. And then it also has a form validate, which is referring to the JavaScript. Also in your input type fields right here, these IDs are being called in the JavaScript, the username and password. So this is your basic page setup. We did a couple things in the style sheet, and let me explain to you responsive design really quick. Right now, everything at the top, this is a mobile first website, so all the CSS is at the top for the mobile. So if you look at this on a mobile device, it's going to look different than if you look at it on a desktop or a tablet. Up here, the mobile device is reading all the CSS. And then what happens is, if you scroll down in the CSS, it's checking right here. These are called media queries. And what's happening right here is checking the width of the screen. So this is for tablet, and it's saying, okay, if the width of the screen is this, then do the CSS. So if you scroll down even further, we have another media query for the desktop. So essentially, any responsive website is going to have 3 different CSS files. It's going to have CSS for the mobile, CSS for the tablet, and the CSS for the desktop. And that's how you have it look different on different devices. Okay, we did a couple things. I put a wrapper div around everything, so everything shifts down a little bit from the top up here, and I gave it a margin. I give it a margin top. Okay, what that's doing is shifting the image down and the whole form down essentially. I also did a text align center, and what that is doing is aligning the register button down here. Also, as you remember from the CSS lecture, you can stylize tags. So what we're doing right here is we're stylizing the input tag, which are these boxes right here. And I'm giving them a width of 98%, so they're going to be 98% of the screen, and I'm giving them a margin top of 10 pixels, so they're somewhat spread out. Okay, if we come over here to the validate.js, which you should understand everything in this after doing the Code Academy and going through your book, this is the function validate that's being called from the form when they click on the submit. And what this is doing is it's giving them an attempt of 3 times, essentially, to log into the website. So the login right now is just a standard, it's just the login is your name and the password is hello. So as soon as they do that and they log in, this will present a pop-up box that says you've logged in successfully. You can delete this long line of code and just have them automatically go to the first page if you like. If they don't log in, it's going to run this else statement down here. Again, this is it's called a condition statement. It's like, do this. If this does not work, then do this down here. So that's it. I know it's a really quick overview. I hope that helps you. If you have any questions or you need anything, please let me know. Thanks.